everyone. Good morning and a bubbly and a cheerful welcome to all my cutie pies. All my lovely second class students, how are you doing? I welcome you in this session where you will be learning all about the English literature chapters, their exercises, question and answer, but with fun, lot of entertainment so that you enjoy while learning. So today I am going to start with the first chapter of English Reader. And guess what? The chapter's name starts with the word guess. It says, guess how much I love you. I mean, I love you, you love me, you love your parents love you more, and your grandparents love you equally. So, isn't it a very lovely way to start studying with the first chapter when itself says, how much I love you? I cannot define in words how much I love my children. Likewise, your parents cannot define in words how much they love you. In fact, if I ask you how much you love your parents, you'll also start pondering and you'll also think, huh, how much do I love my parents, right? So that's what you're going to study in this chapter. Guess how much I love you. And you will see how the two characters in the story, I'm not going to tell which two characters unless we start the chapter, how these two characters in the story show their love. See, I always say, my children, I love you, Bacha, I love you so much. And even my children say, we love you. That means there is a feeling of warmth, there is a feeling of happiness when you see that person. And you're ready to do anything for that person because you love them. Not the wrong thing, but then for on a positive note. So this chapter will teach us a very important lesson of life, that is how you can show your love to your loved ones. How can you show and tell them that how much I love? अ, ये प्यार वाली जो फीलिंग है ये बहुत डीप है. आपके मम्मा आपके पापा कितना प्यार करते हैं, that goes beyond explanation, but still we can learn through this chapter. Guess how much I love you. So a wholehearted welcome to all my lovely children sitting there. I can see your smile, I can see the curiosity on your faces, and I'm equally curious to teach you all, because this chapter is surely going to make you understand that how can you show your love to your parents. So let's begin our chapter, and now the mystery opens, now the secrets gets revealed, that the story that I was talking about, that it is about two creatures, it is about a rabbit and a bunny. Who's a bunny? A baby rabbit. So it's a baby rabbit and it's a rabbit, a mother, and the guys are talking, conversing, and Bunny is saying, means a baby rabbit is asking, Mama, how much do you love me? And let's see what answer Bunny is going to get. So, this chapter number 1, guess how much I love you. Let's see what questions come in our mind before we read this chapter, or what question we can answer, or what answer we can get from this chapter. Who all are there in your family? Everybody has somebody has a nuclear family, somebody has joint family, but of course you must be having your parents, your mama, your papa, your granny, your grandpa with you, and your siblings, your brothers and sisters. So no, you have to write the names of your siblings, or how many of your family members are there with you. So we have to do that as well. How does your mother show her love for you? Tell me, how does your mother show your love for you? I mean, I understand that my mama loves me a lot. I understand that my papa loves me a lot. But how do you know that your mama loves you? What do you do? When she cuddles you, ऐसे गले लगाती है, She kisses you and she makes a lot of good dishes. She teaches you good things. She snuggles you and she shows her love by pampering you. So आपको बताना है how does your mother loves you. I mean, I love my children like this and my mother loved me like this. And so now you have to tell how your mother shows your love, because प्यार दिखाने के बहुत सारे तरीके होते हैं और अलग अलग तरीकों से आपको समझ में आता है मेरी मम्मा मुझे बहुत प्यार करती है. How do you show your love to your parents? Now, very important part. See, your parents love you. Of course, you know this. But how do you show your love to your parents? Tell me fast, 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 fast. Think about it. Oh, you got that. I can see that cute little smile on your cheeks. See, I tell you, how do I show my love to my parents? By showing gratitude, by saying thank you, by cuddling them, and when I sleep, I like snuggle with them. मैं उनके एकदम छाती से लग के प्यार से उनके साथ सोती हूँ. I do a bit of work for them, which makes them happy. And the most important part to tell you that you love your parents is to spend time with them. So, the chapter is also about spending time, showing your love, and you will see all the aspect in this story. चलिए जल्दी से इस चैप्टर का मैजिक क्या है, ये क्या मैजिक लेके आया है. Actually, I've already told you the magic is about love. How much are you loved and how much your parents love you. So, the story is about a kind mother rabbit. ये story एक mama rabbit की कहानी है and she's very kind. Kind means very good hearted. And her curious little bunny. We will be learning words as we proceed to the chapter. So, and her curious. Curious means Hindi में jigyasu. In English, wanting to learn new things. Somebody who wants to learn this also, that also. ये भी जानता हूँ, वो भी जानता हूँ. And bunny, I've already told you, a baby rabbit. The bunny loves asking questions. Now, how is bunny by nature? Bunny को questions पूछने बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, सीखना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, means learn करना, नई नई चीजों के बारे में जानना. He gets excited when he gets to know about so many things. Like you people, I mean, you are at that age where you want to know more about it. Mama, what's that? Papa, can you tell me more about this? Of course, you should. That helps you to grow as a person. One night, अब आया कहानी में ट्विस्ट. देखते हैं क्या. एक रात को while looking at the moon, अब मामा और बेबी दोनों चंद्रमा को देख रहे थे. शाम का समय था. The bunny asked his mother. Bunny questioned his mother how much she loves him. Mama, how much do you love me? Of course, आप में से किसी ने शायद maybe you must not have asked, but आप कभी ना कभी तो मम्मा मुझसे कितना प्यार करती है. You must have asked this question, I'm very sure. Mama, do you love me more or you love भैया more? Didi, you love Didi more or you love me? I vouch and I'm sure that everyone must have asked this question from your mama and papa because I did the same when I was young. His mother uses fun and loving ways. See, a mama's task is not only just bringing up a child, but answering the question with intelligence. So, mama rabbit अपने बच्चे को बहुत फन और प्यार तरीके से, लविंग वेज मीन्स बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से अपना गहरा प्यार दिखाती है. एक इस तरह का जेस्चर जिससे आपको पता चलता है कि इतना ढेर सारा प्यार करती है मेरी मम्मा. Let's read more about this lovely story. So I told you initially as well, it's about loving your parents and finding out how somebody loves you. So let's begin the story. And the story is about a mother rabbit and a bunny. Who's a mother rabbit? The bigger one, and bunny is a baby rabbit. Let's read, let's understand. And let's learn these words simultaneously. Please make sure that you make a small thin notebook and write down all the good words that I'm chalking out and I'm telling you the meanings of. So that if you write it, it will become a small dictionary for you. And believe me, that dictionary will help you forever. You can make dictionaries for different classes, collect it, keep it in your books, and that will again become a small library for you. So let's read and comprehend. Let's understand. Comprehension is let's read and let's understand. Once there was a kind mother rabbit and her curious little bunny. I've already told you the meaning of these two words. So, first one is curious, means somebody who wishes to know more, and bunny is a baby rabbit. एक बार की बात है, एक बहुत प्यारी सी ममा रैबिट थी और ममा रैबिट का उनका प्यारा बेबी बनी था जो बहुत क्यूरियस था, जिसे जानने की बहुत इच्छा थी. The bunny loved asking questions. Now, how was bunny's nature? Everyone has different nature. Like I have a nature that I don't stop asking question until I get satisfied. Likewise, he was also curious. उसे questions पूछने का शौक था और नई नई चीजें सीखने का. Somebody who loves asking question is a person who loves learning new things. आपको नई चीजें सीखनी है, तभी तो आप question पूछते हो, ये क्या है? What's that? What's that? So likewise, हमारा bunny rabbit भी ऐसा ही था. Bunny, I mean. The mother rabbit enjoy का past. बीते हुए समय की बात हो रही है तो enjoy में हमने ed लगा दिया. तो mother rabbit enjoyed spending time with him. और mama rabbit को मजा आता था अपने प्यारे से bunny के साथ time spend करना. I mean, every mother or father loves to spend time with their little one, to chuckle with them, to giggle, laugh, snuggle, प्यार से गले लगाना, हंसना, खिलखिलाना. One night, अब देखते हैं कहानी में आगे क्या हुआ. एक रात को they were sitting outside their burrow. Again, a good word, that is the third word in our mini dictionary, that's burrow. एक रात they were sitting outside. अब वो अपने burrow के बाहर. What's a burrow? It's a hole in the ground made by rabbit and various other animals. Means bill जिसको कहेंगे हिंदी में. तो एक रात को वो लोग अपने बिल के बाहर बैठे थे, जो गड्ढा खोद के अंदर रहते हैं जमीन पे ऐसे बारो बनाकर, वो उसके बाहर फुदक कर आ गए थे. एंड लुकिंग एट द मून, और वो कहाँ देख रहे थे? चंदा मामा को. Like I was also in the habit of looking at the moon and thinking and understanding kind of things. You must also be doing, and if you're not, spend time with nature. When it's summertime, the weather is very pleasant. Take a cot, lie down outside with your mama and papa, see in the sky above, and think about the wonders of the world, nature. And looking at the moon, ऐसे ही मामा और बेटा दोनों ये जो बारो ये देख रहे हैं क्यूट सा, इस बारो से निकलकर बाहर चंदा को देख रहे थे. And they were thinking, let's see. The bunny turned to his mother. Now I like इमेजिन मैं बनी हूं और मैं अपनी और मैं चंदा को देख रहा हूं, and then he gets to ask something. I mean, a question pops up in his mind और वो मम्मा की तरफ देखता है और कहता है, मम्मा, how much do you love me? मम्मा, do tell me, आप मुझसे कितना प्यार करती हैं? मम्मा बोलो, आपको मुझसे कितना प्यार है? As a child, I asked it. You must be doing the same, I know. ऐसे ही हमारा क्यूट सा बनी है, वो भी टर्न माने मुड़ा अपनी मम्मा की तरफ और पूछता है, मम्मा, कितना प्यार करती हो आप मुझे? She smiled. अब इसमें भी ed लगा है. That again says बीते समय की बात हुई। शी स्माइल्ड, वो हंसती हैं एंड कहती हैं, ओ माई डियर, ओ मेरे प्यारे से बेबी, आई लव यू मोर देन एनीथिंग. It's very lovely way to express words. You can use it in your real life as well. When you try and speak in English, you are learning English, you can say, I love you more than anything. Papa, I love you more than anything. So like this. Oh, do you understand, children? एक चैप्टर से हम पता नहीं कितनी सारी नए नए वर्ड्स और उन वर्ड्स की फॉर्मेशन और उनका इस्तेमाल, मतलब you can become very intelligent, you can become smart speaker if you read these chapters and use these words in your communication. Oh my dear, I love you more than. मेरे प्यारे से कूची पू, मैं तुमसे सबसे ज्यादा प्यार करती हूँ, कोई भी चीज से परे है मेरा प्यार. The bunny's eyes twinkle. Now it's a good word. I suppose ये हमारा third word है, नहीं fourth, I'm sorry. Fourth, twinkle. ऐसे? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. The same twinkle. आ गया समझ? ऐसे जैसे चमकते हैं, आंखें ऐसे करना. So bunny's eyes twinkled and he asked. अब उसने पूछा तो मम्मा आप क्या? तो मम्मा ने ये बोला that I love you more than anything. तो बनी की आंखें एकदम ट्विंकल करती है और कहता है, Can you show me, मम्मा? Please, please, show me how much do you love me? Question mark says, jigyasa, that curiosity. She had an idea. Now Mama thought and thought, and she came up with the idea. She hopped, kood ke, and what did she said? I love you as high as I can hop. See the comparison, as dot 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 as use किया, मम्मा ने compare कर रही हैं. मम्मा कह रही हैं, I love you as high as I can hop. मैं इतना प्यार करती हूँ जितना मैं hop कर सकती हूँ. Have you heard about this line? Hop a little, jump a little. नहीं तो जरूर सर्च करना हो पढ़ना. So I love you as high as I can hop. The bunny giggled. Again, a very good word, giggling. That's called giggle. हंसना और खिलखिलाना और बहुत मतलब अच्छा फील करना. The bunny giggled and hopped higher. वो और ऊंचा हॉप किया और कहता है, I love you as high as I can hop too. मैं भी उतना प्यार करता हूं जितना मैं हॉप कर सकता हूं. उसने भी कंपैरिजन यूज किया, उसने भी इसी तरह कंपेयर किया. जितना ऊंचा मैं हॉप कर सकता हूं उतना मैं प्यार करता हूं. क्यों? क्योंकि मम्मा ने भी यही कहा था, I love you as high as I can hop. उतना जितना. Clear? The mother rabbit chuckled. Now this is again a good word. See how many new words are we learning, and we are on the road to improvement. So the mother rabbit chuckled. Chuckle means वैसे तो ऐसे किसी पे हंसना नहीं चाहिए, बट आपको कुछ हंसी आ गई और आप दूसरे के सामने ऐसे हंसना नहीं चाहते हो, तो when you laugh quietly, that's called chuckling. So that's how it's called chuckle. The mother rabbit chuckle. क्यों मम्मा क्यों हंस रही है ऐसे छुपाकर? क्योंकि she can understand that the child is comparing mother's love with his love, and he's saying कि मैं भी उतना ही प्यार करता हूँ जितना मैं ऊपर हॉप कर सकता हूँ. And said, that's a lot of love. वाह, इन्ना ढेर सारा प्यार, ओ लल्ला. But do you know how much I love you? आपको पता है मैं कितना प्यार करती हूँ. Now mama is coming up again. See, पहले मम्मा ने कहा था कि I love you as high as, है तो बनी ने भी कहा. अब मम्मा ने फिर बोला, but do you know how much I love you? Do you know that? The bunny asked eagerly. Again, a very good word. Eager means जिज्ञासा होना. किसी भी चीज के लिए आप eager है, मतलब you are desperately waiting कि मुझे पता चले. So bunny ने eagerly पूछा, how much, mama? बताओ ना मम्मा, कितना प्यार, बोलो ना. She gently nuzzled again. Eighth good word, nuzzle. Nuzzle का क्या मतलब होता है? When you rub or press your nose against some. See, can you see them nuzzling? Aren't they looking so cute? See, they are nuzzling. So nuzzle का मतलब रब करना या प्रेस करना अपनी नोज को, किसी और की नोज ये ऐसे गाल पर ही. तो she gently nuzzled his nose and whispered, और धीरे से क्या कहती है मम्मा बेबी को, I love you all the way to the tip of your little nose. Means आपकी ये नोज की टिप से पूरा तक आपको मैं उतना प्यार करती हूँ. All the way from the tip of your, all the way to the tip of your little nose. The bunny was very happy. इतना ढेर सारा प्यार. बनी बहुत खुश हो गया. He nuzzled her back. उसने भी मम्मा को ऐसे नजल किया और मम्मा की बात रिपीट की और क्या कहा, I love you all the way to the tip of your nose too. और क्या कहा, मम्मा मैं भी आपको उतना ही प्यार करता हूँ. I mean, the story ends here, but still, I can feel that love that is blossoming, or the love between Mama Rabbit and Bunny. है ना बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग सी क्यूट सी स्टोरी, जिसने हमें बहुत ढेर सारे वर्ड सिखाए, उनके मीनिंग सीखे, एंड वी गॉट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट every parent love their children, and there are different ways of expressing their love for their children, and likewise children also love their parents, and there are different ways that how they express their love for their mama or papa. So कौन था कहानी में, फटाफट फटाफट रिकैप करते हैं. मामा रैबिट, बनी और उनके बीच का ढेर सारा प्यार. आई होप नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड. और आप एक छोटी सी नोटबुक बनाएंगे एंड यू विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग द वर्ड्स ऑफ ऑल द चैप्टर्स, एंड स्लोली ग्रेजुअली आई कीप ऑन टेलिंग यू, एंड यू कैन राइट डाउन द मीनिंग. यू कैन टेक द हेल्प ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स एज वेल. सो फटाफट से लेट्स. They snuggled in their burrow. Snuggle is again a good word. हमारा कितने सारे हो गए थे अभी तक? 9. So this is the 10th word. I just told you what is snuggling. Snuggling means ऐसे it is just like hugging someone, गले लगाना, but especially in the bed. सोने जाते हैं तो मम्मा से ऐसे चिपक कर छाती से लगा के मम्मा सुलाती है. So that's called snuggle. So they snuggled in their burrow. Burrow again वही बिल. वो दोनों गए, रात हो गई थी, घुस गए अपने बिल में और एक दूसरे से चिपक कर सो गए. Feeling warm and love. I told you when I started the chapter, प्यार क्या है? Warmth है, वो अपनापन है. So एक दूसरे के लिए warm था, प्यार था. Watching the moonlight, चंद्रमा की चांदनी को देखते देखते ऐसे ऐसे बरों में जाकर सो गए. As they fell asleep, जैसे ही वो गहरी नींद में सोए, the bunny knew their love was endless. Endless माने जिसका कोई अंत ही ना हो. Something which doesn't have any end. Now he was sleeping with the mama, and वो बहुत खुश था because वो जानता था क्या, जानता था कि उसकी मम्मा का प्यार उसके लिए एंडलेस है. एज द नाइट स्काई, जैसे रात का आसमान. सी हाउ इज कंपेयरिंग. उतना प्यार जितना रात का आसमान, नाइट स्काई. The ending of the story is very very cute one. Why? Because we are understanding, we understood that बच्चा कैसे अपनी मम्मा के प्यार को कंपेयर कर रहा है और कह रहा है कि it is endless. Likewise, your parents' love for you is endless, and your love equally is endless for your parents. था ना बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग. We've learned more than 11 words. छोटे छोटे और भी वर्ड सीखे थे. अब let's see the key words. Sight words are जो बार बार रिपीट हुए. Can, the, will, with, to, what, इन सारे वर्ड्स के बिना सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन अधूरा है. यू विल बी एबल टू यूज देम and this helps in the formation of a sentence. Curious, the first word is curious. I told you, somebody who wishes to know more, wants to know more, learn more. So जो इंसान और जानना चाहता है. Second, giggle, that is a little laugh जिसमें सच में मासूम वाली हंसी हो. Whispered, whispered का मतलब क्या, क्या, धीरे से बोलना. And nuzzle, I told you, gently rubbing or touching something with nose or face in a loving way. I told you, नोजी से या ऐसे गाल से किसी को प्यार जताने को nuzzle कहते हैं. I hope the chapter must have been very clear to you. Now wait and watch and see this video, learn the words, but wait desperately for the second video where you'll be learning a lot of new words, exercises, and we'll be doing question answers. I mean, the video is still there, but first you have to watch this and then you have to move on to the second one. चलती हूँ इस promise के साथ कि next video में फिर से इस chapter का recap or we'll do a lot of question answers and exercise. Bye bye. God bless you all. Love you. Take care. And thank you.